So before the night gets any further, I have something to tell you. I'm rich.
Alright, so what does it matter?
Most guys can't handle the fact that a female is fisher than them.
Listen, so you think I'm here because of your money?
No,
you think that's what I need?
no,
you think
that's not what I'm...
Listen, stop. Alright, just stop. I'm going to the bathroom.
No.
Boss. I suck your man when I go back and work.
Rich, real rich.
I get Jesus. But no. But no, you never made me that was so much too long. Do you even know?
Real rich.
I'm sorry for what I said.
Stop. Let me tell you something. Alright? I'm an independent man. I have a good job, more hard for mine. Alright? I'm gonna beg, I'm gonna borrow, I'm gonna depend on a woman for mine. Alright? So because just enjoy the rest of the night. Okay?
Alright. Let's see what's good.
Well, the steak and the lobster look good. Garçon, you up here, right? Garçon.